Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Arabian Sandalwood soap. Those are the colors I'm going to be using that I'm pushing off to the side there. And here I'm adding the lime water to the oils. I'm just going to mix this up just past emulsion, which is just the oils and water mixing together. This fragrance is a type of sandalwood. It's a little bit more mild. It is more woodsy and has a little bit of floral in it. It smells really, really nice. If you like sandalwood, you will probably like this fragrance. And that's me adding the fragrance oil in. I'm just going to mix this in. And then I'm going to divide this up into 3 different containers. Those are the first 2, and then the last container. And then I'm going to mix in the colors. I'm going to have 2 different shades of brown and a blue. These little containers that I'm using for the colors are biodegradable. And then I have these handy little spatulas to scrape them out with. Here's the blue. And then here's the last brown. I definitely like this color combination. I will probably be using it again in other videos because I like how it looks together. Now I'm going to mix up the lighter brown. And then finally mix up the blue. This is just to make sure the colors get dispersed as well as possible into the soap. And then I'm going to pour them all into the pot and do kind of an in the pot swirl. I like how this brown looks like fudge. And here's the blue. Just making sure to get all of it out of there. And then I'm going to swirl it in the pot just a little bit. And then pour it into the mold. And I'm just putting the rest of this on here. And I'm going to tap out the air bubbles and clean off the edges. Then I'm going to swirl the top a little bit. And give it a nice pattern on the top. I will also be adding the last blue color to the top that you saw in the beginning of the video. I'm going to just drizzle this on top and then swirl it in a little bit. I like how neat and shimmery this turns out when the soap is finished. This is just me swirling the top. And here's how it looks up close. And then here I am just showing what the different sides look like. You can see the nice contrast in the colors on the sides there. And just lining it up on the cutter. And now I'm just going to slice it into bars. And we'll see how pretty it looks on the inside. Here's the first bar out of the middle. You can see how it looks really feathery and pretty. Has nice layers of the different colors. And I really like how that blue looks and how it complements the brown so well. Here's the next bar. And that looks really, really nice. I like how shiny the top is. And here's the last bar. It also looks really nice. There is a tiny speck of white colorant on there that didn't quite come off, but I'll clean it off later. And here's the last two end pieces, which I'll cut up later. These bars will be available January 1st at my Etsy shop. I'll be sure to leave the links down below to my shop and to my social media. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and giving this video a like, and have a great day.